Hi, I'm from WebD School and I've got a quick question for you. Are your graduates still struggling to find a good job or confused about which careers are still safe in this age of AI? Let me give it to you straight. Only a few careers will stay strong, and three of the most powerful ones are designing, digital marketing, and video editing. Why these? Because every business, whether it's a two-person startup or a 20,000 employee brand, needs designs, videos, and marketing to grow. These fields are deeply human-driven. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it can't replace original thinking, emotional storytelling, or strategy. And hey, don't think, but I already spent lakhs on my degree. This isn't an extra expense, it's the foundation for the career you will build for the next 30 plus years. But learning from the right place is the key. At WebD School, we have trained 5,000 plus students over 10 years with global certifications and 100% placement support. If you're serious about your future, explore our courses now and start building your dream career today.